This is likely the most mentioned theme that I get regularly after somebody gets a huge startling cost, or they begin considering retirement and understand that they have saved a woefully deficient measure of cash. I prescribe utilizing a month-to-month time span to take a gander at your money inflows and surges, on the grounds that most bills are month-to-month and a month is a short arranging period that a great many people can oversee. The primary activity is to figure out your net take-home pay. Normally, this is the amount of cash from your check that gets deposited into your bank account. On the off chance that your pay is variable, at that point utilize a normal of the most recent 3 months. Next, list your fixed month-to-month costs, for example, lease, contract, vehicle installment, telephone, electric bill, and so forth. These numbers can be changed in the long haul, but first you need to decide a standard spending plan of where you are at this moment. Ensure you incorporate the entirety of your utilities. Some are just paid quarterly or every year, similar to vehicle insurance, the water bill, or an affiliation charge. Take these costs and figure what they would be consistently. For instance, if your water bill comes quarterly, divide it by 3. In the event that you have semi-yearly vehicle insurance, at that point divide it by 6. So now you have your fixed month-to-month income and your fixed month-to-month expenses. Deduct one from the other, and you have the variable measure of cash that you are allowed to spend any way you need for the rest of the month. From this leftover cash, begin drilling down your fundamental classes of variable spending: staple goods, entertainment, medical, clothing, cleaning, personal expenses such as hairstyle, nails, and so forth, and charity. Take every one of these variable costs and add them up to arrive at a figure. Make the same number of subcategories as you need to make an exact gauge. The more exact it is for your ways of managing money, the more powerful it will be for you. For instance, food can be separated by supermarket, cheap food, eating out, work lunch, and so forth. At that point, analyze the most recent couple of months of your checkbook and financial record, searching for any spending that hasn't been covered far to such an extent that you need to incorporate for your situation. Presently you ought to have a complete number for your month-to-month pay, absolute month-to-month fixed costs, and all month-to-month variable costs. The decision time is the point at which you deduct the 2 costs from your pay to check whether there is anything left over. What's left over is usually referred to as your cash flow. Don't be alarmed if it is a negative number. It is far better to find this out now, instead of getting into debt by using your credit cards later. After going through this exercise, most people are surprised to see where their cash has been going and usually say, "I had no clue I spent such a great amount on that." Seeing all the numbers in black and white can help you organize and haggle with the wide range of various spenders in the family. From this starting financial plan, you can begin to set month-to-month focus for spending. You can zero in on reducing the biggest costs, and discover territories where you should begin doing some value correlation shopping. Furthermore, you should allocate between 10 to 15% of your pay as an extra fixed cost. Indeed, you need to pay yourself first. Having a spending plan is the basic first apparatus in dealing with your cash. Employing this device permits you to begin the creation of monetary choices dependent on current realities rather than fiction. You can anticipate expenses as opposed to being gotten unsuspecting. Also, in particular, figure out ways in which to achieve some of your goals, such as vacations, a new vehicle, or contributing to an investment. If you found value so far, hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. The next videos on the screen contain information you will love. Click to watch them now and I will see you there.